editing, manures, and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soils in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manures and fertilizers. Farmer grow crops after crop in the field in the same field. The field is never left all cultivated or fallows. Continuous growing of crops make the soil poorer in certain nutrients. Now, first one is what is manure? Manure is natural substance obtained by the decompositions of animals waste, human waste, plant waste by the actions of microorganisms which supplies essential element and humans to the soils and makes it more fertile. Next is what is fertilizer? A chemical fertilizer is a salt or an organic compound containing the necessary plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium to make the soil more fertile. Grow crops after crop in the same field. The soil supply the minerals, nutrients to the crops. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Uh, in certain areas, the farmer grow crops after the crop in the same field. Left The field is never left uncultivated or fallows. Fallow land means is farmland that has no crops on it usually for a year to recovers its fertility to grow crops. Continuous growing of crop makes the soil poorer in certain nutrients. Therefore, the farmers have to add manures to the field to recomposing the soil with the nutrients. This process is also known as a manuring. The improper or insufficient manuring result in weak plants. Next point is use of fertilizers. It has helped farmers to get better yield of crops. Examples such as wheat, paddy, and maize. Fertilizer have also become a source of Water pollutions. It helps to get better yield of crops. Example like wheat, paddy, and maize. maize. But extensive use of fertilizer has made the soil less fertility, and therefore becomes a source of water. Fertilizer is become a source of water pollutions. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soils, we have to substitute fertilizers by organic manures or leave the field all cultivated in between two crops. Cultivated means uh, fallow fallow land is farmland that has no crop on it usually for a year to recovers its fertility to grow crops. Point is the use of manures. It improves soil structures as well as its water retaining capacity. It replaces the soil with all the nutrients. Another method of replacing the soil with nutrients through crops. Method of replacing this can be done by growing different crop alternatively. For example, farmers in northern India used to grow legumes as a fodder in one season and wheat in the next seasons. This help in the replacement of the soil with the nitrogens. This method is also called a replacing. In previous class, you have to learn about rhizomes bacteria. There is a present of the there are present of the noodles of root of leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogens. Point is difference between fertilizers and manures. Fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Manure is a natural substance obtained by decompositions of candle ducts, human waste, plant waste. Second, फर्टिलाइज़र इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फैक्ट्रीज, फर्टिलाइज़र फैक्ट्री में प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, और मैन्यूर्स प्रिपेयरिंग द फील्ड. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड, fertilizer does not provide any humans to the soil. Fertilizer does not provide humans, but manures provides lots of humans of the soil. Next, fertilizers are very rich in plants nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassiums, but manure is less rich in the plant nutrients. Point is advantages of manures. The organic manures is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it improves water holding capacity of the soil. Next, it makes soil porous and exchange gases of become easy, and it increases numbers of friendly microbes. It improves the structures of the soils. And replacement replacement रिप्लेसमेंट यानी कि farmers in North India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season, and wheat is next season, is called a replacing the soil with the necessary nutrients.